In this video, I will show you how to fix this operation has been cancelled due to restrictions in effect on this computer. So guys, once you try to open run command, so you will see this error. To resolve this error, firstly click on start, type regedit, right click on registry editor, run as administrator. So firstly you do anything, backup your registry editor, click on file and export, select all and save this registry editor with your name which you remember. And so guys, if something went wrong, so you can backup and restore your registry editor. Now let's start to resolve this issue. Now once you done, expand HK current user, then expand software. Now here expand classes. Now here guys, you have to find out .html. This one, so double click on it. Now right click on this default, modify. Now type validator HTML file, then click on OK. Now close this registry editor and restart your PC. So hopefully guys, after restart this operation has been cancelled due to restrictions in effect on this computer. Thanks for watching. Please comment this method work for you or not.